It's a Jamaican thing, baby. So come on and join with me. We're there on an exploration across the island. Don't miss this, that is free. It's a Jamaican thing, baby. So come on and join with me. We're there on an exploration across the island. Don't miss this, that is free. So come on and check out this channel. Dual is YouTube channel, where it's all about showcasing Jamaica exotic places, people and things. Don't forget though to like, subscribe, comment and share. Yeah. Thank you.
Alright, IHATV fans over there. Up now look at here. Yeah? Up the Westmoreland hill here called Rickie Jackson people. And people from see them stove, them carvings and things them. You know, so they need people. Just check them out. Now, stick and stay, let me carry guys to where exactly where, you know, the awesomeness is. One people, Rickie Jackson, country of Rickie Jackson people, so let's try that. Alright people, so we're getting close. Yeah man, guys, so yeah man, so we're going people. Nice artwork up there. Nice stone wall as well. Alright guys, that's what we are talking about. Just see them nice stone wall here. Alright, so you look for me, see them nice stone wall here, know, so we're don't know the right spot. I'm going to take you guys now. Look at these people. These are stone carvings. Jamaica giants. Now people, look at this. This is a stone carving people. You know, that's a ram. Alright people, look at this. It's a boar. Original stone carvings people. Look at that people. It's an eagle. Alright people. Now look at this. That's a gorilla people. Original stone carving people. Now we are heading to the Jamaica Giants to show you people authentic Jamaican art, stone art people from original rocks, original stone people. Now look at that. Alright people, so let's go. See another artwork down here people. Alright, so this is it people. Stick and stay. Alright guys, so let's go. Yeah man. So taking authentic Jamaica to you people. Authentic Jamaica. Now this is in the deep countryside of Westmoreland. You know, we pass a place called Dev's Land. Yeah man. So people, show you what time it is. Now look at that nice countryside hill view. Alright, let's go. More artwork here people, not just stone walls. More artwork here as well. Yeah, paintings. Follow the sign people to the entrance. Alright. More artwork people, more artwork. Now look at these paintings. Nice. Now this is the entrance people. Now these paintings are lovely. people. More artwork. Lovely artwork. Alright, people, let's go. Alright, guys, so we are here at Jamaica Giants. Guys, we're here at Jamaica Giants. So I'm going to show you guys what time it is. So you know what is at the enter. You see the artwork, so that alright people, that's it. Jamaica Giants. Out of many one people the boardwalk. Now this is carving on glass, people. Check that out. Alright, so we're going inside. Etching. Alright people. So you hear that? That's called etching. Alright people. Now we're there with Mr. Wrinkle. Mr. Wrinkle run off the place right now and tell you exactly what's going on here. Now we're here at Jamaica Giants Art Gallery, right? Yeah. Alright, so let us
stone sculpture and bark and art gallery.
okay. Alright, so generally I'm gonna show you guys and tell you guys what's going on here. Alright?
We can do it here, right?
People.
Woman. There's a woman here, there's one here. Woman and beast. See, the lions are around. Animals with wings, we call them griffins.
Okay.
And because they're griffins and they can fly, we make sure they don't fly away. Put a little chain on them also.
Okay.
And this is made from a mahogany root.
Okay.
Yeah. And you know the mahogany doesn't rot.
Right.
And termites don't eat mahogany. That's why they use mahogany to make hunting furniture.
Okay.
Take for instance, you see like these here?
Yeah.
They're mahogany and they since the house was built in the 17th century.
Okay. So this is an antique house as well?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
This is a great house for the slave masters.
Okay. Alright people, so this is made from a mahogany root.
You can go right around.
Alright people, so take a look. So what time it is. Woman and beast. Alright people.
This lady, she was from the 18th century.
Okay.
And she was a slave master's mistress in the 18th century, right?
Okay.
But she and these two kids here,
Yeah.
and those two young over there, they all came from the same book, The Miserable Slavery.
Okay, cool. Alright guys.
You know, this one speaks for itself.
Alright, so the great Bob.
Yeah.
And the high trees.
This is
Look like cartel, eh?
Vibes Cartel.
Vibes cartel people. Alright.
Bunny Wheeler.
Great money wheeler.
With the London. Caesar.
Bunch of Bunton people. Sizzler Conundrum.
Alton Ellis.
Great Alton people. And all these artwork are beautiful.
So all these works you're gonna see, painting, it's done by Bruce Allen.
Bruce Allen.
Yes,
Okay, cool. So hear that guys, all these paintings are done by Bruce Allen.
this man here, when I was a boy, I know him as a Rastaman. He's still a Rastaman, still alive. He's about 80 years old now.
Okay. Beautiful artwork, people. Right.
Man here is the owner.
So he's the founder.
Yeah, Rickie Jackson is his name.
Rickie Jackson.
You live side more side, right?
Alright, so I understand
Yeah.
earlier down.
He's the one
Down
who
the
lives
road.
south side, yeah.
Okay, so Rickie Jackson is the owner of this property, people, alright?
And this is his daddy, Jimmy Jackson. You know the treehouse?
And this is Jimmy
Treehouse
Jackson.
Hotel on the beach?
Right, Treehouse Hotel
Yeah.
in Negril.
Yeah.
Right,
That's
okay.
him.
So that's the owner for the Treehouse Hotel in Negril.
Yeah, well, he built it. He died now.
Yeah, founder, alright?
Master Griffiths.
People. Yeah. Marcia Griffiths.
This is Bruce Allen certificate. He went to the school in Monday.
Okay.
So he graduated in 1984. He graduated. Were you born here?
1984.
Yeah.
Well,
Well,
a few years before my birth.
yeah.
Like 4 years before my birth.
This is a scene in South Africa during the apartheid days.
Okay.
And this is a happy family. I don't know who he is or where he is, but he loves me. I'm just St. Elizabeth. Look at the front piece, look at the front camera.
Right, right.
Yeah. And look at the side. It's like St. Elizabeth side and South St. Elizabeth side.
Right.
Yeah.
Happy farm.
Happy family. These are the area coming up.
Seems familiar for me.
Yeah, man, it's all right out there.
So this is the journey up
Yeah.
to this area. Okay.
This is when we sculpture work.
Oh, so this gentleman did the sculpture work,
Yeah.
the soul sculpture,
It's 200 wood.
and the wood sculpture.
Yeah. This is the son of Rickie.
Okay.
Next in line, one of the next in line to own this property.
So that's the offspring of Rickie Jackson. Alright, people.
This piece here and this piece is the only two pieces that was not done by Bruce.
Okay. So everything else is done by Bruce except these two pieces.
Except these two pieces. As an older man do these two pieces and he's partially blind.
Okay.
He was able to do this work still. This is the man we're carving.
Right.
And this piece here we call charity. The giver and the receiver.
Charity, yeah, the giver
And the
and the
receiver.
receiver. Now, people, as you can see, these artworks. Beautiful.
This is Bruce. He's the one who did painting. All his work is here.
Okay, so this is the great Bruce. This is the great Bruce. Painter.
This is you will see outside. This is made from stone. You will see outside. But Bruce is dry, yeah?
So this is also done as a sculpture, people, and this is also done as a painting by Bruce.
Bruce said, playing his fiddle. Nowadays you call it violin.
Yeah.
Modern times violin, in the slave days,
Right.
it's a fiddle.
Right.
This one is called David.
David.
Yeah, but Michelangelo did this also.
Okay.
But he did it as a white man. And but we are black people, so he did it as a black man.
Okay, cool.
Michelangelo, his private one was like the silicon nun, like this. When black people so you put it black man.
Right.
The whole thing about it is same as original.
Right.
But except the color of it.
Alright, people, so that's the artwork in terms of painting. So we're going to go to another section.
Grandfather from the West.
This is grandfather Rickie Jackson.
My grandfather too.
Okay, your grandfather.
Yeah, he grew us up.
Okay. Lovely.
Yeah. This couple here, and these two kids here, and those two over there, they all came in the same book.
Okay, so those are the same set of people.
Yeah, miserable slavery.
Yes, I was slave.
This man, he plays in Nickel Beach with his rumba box.
Yeah, man, he look familiar for you, know. Yeah, man, rumba player.
Pretty posh. And he's doing the bicycle.
Scratch Perry.
You know.
Lee Scratch Perry. Artist Bud though.
Yeah, man.
One the artist Bud.
Where am I doing? Dennis Brown.
Lee Brown. Lee Brown.
These pictures here, like in the air still.
So these are pictures of this area.
District, yeah.
So is this area called Devon as well, or
No, Moreland Hill.
Moreland Hill?
Yeah, Cape Valley is just down there.
Okay.
You know Cape Valley?
Alright.
In Hanover?
Yeah, man.
It's just down there.
Okay.
Half of these properties
In Devon.
Cape Valley. So.
Alright, and the next part is in Moreland Hill. Alright, people. Check out some more painting. Great Isaac. King Young One, people. King of Dancer. Great. Before I'm joining Rasta.
Well, he was a Rasta.
I'm just starting, not really.
No, man, he have on the last day, man, but he have the
Oh, we might be down at the ants.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
I don't remember her name, is she's American.
American artist, right? Can't remember her name right now either. Alright, so these are still scenes probably here.
From Brighton, where you were there, coming up.
Yeah.
After you pass through the gate.
Oh, be a man. Alright, people, let's go. Check out some more artwork.
Judy Moat.
Judy Moat.
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 She's singing back on the
Right.
right.
That trees.
Jackfruit. Oi!
Alright, people, so let's go through some more of these artworks so you guys can see what time it is. We'll go up on to Jamaica one. These are all scenes for good old Jamaica.
This is Rickie when he was younger.
Okay, that's Rickie when he was younger.
Yeah. Okay, last time I did.
Beautiful work, people. Beautiful work. Now, guys, you can definitely come on through and check out this
eye trees.
This is the eye trees.
This is Batman and himself.
Check out this area, people. All an Angels. Not too far from Devsland. That's in Westmoreland, people. Look at this beautiful view. Wow. Breathtaking, people. Breathtaking. So we're going to go outside now. Look at the stone sculptures. Alright. So this is wood and stone.
Yeah.
Man, so this
This is a sacrificial ram. Abraham wanted to sacrifice his son.
alright.
So this is the ram that was sacrificed.
Instead of the sun.
This is the ticket as the ram was cut up in. See the ticket?
Yeah.
It's a tree root, yeah?
Right.
So cut the tree down and turn it upside down
Alright.
and make it the so the ticket.
Alright, people, look at this.
It's the hummingbird, yeah? See the hummingbird? And where the beaks are, you see the hibiscus flowers. So all over is hummingbird and hibiscus flowers, and there's two ladies. There's one here and one here.
All these carvings, people, nice carvings.
But I call this a cheaper version because it's on a light pole.
Right.
Look at it.
Only a light pole, people.
So this over here, the reason why I call it cheaper version, because this is over here too.
Right.
This is mahogany. And this is not a lid. This is a
Solid mahogany.
half of a tree.
Solid
Half of the tree.
half of a tree.
This will be here for centuries to come. Look.
Solid. See that, people? Half of a mahogany tree, people. See the most of this can't done, people. Can't rot.
This will last longer than concrete.
Alright, so let's go. Let's check out some more.
Well, I'll be only giving you half a tour, you know?
Right.
Yeah.
Alright. There's an elephant. Lion. These are all stone sculptures, people.
Look at this tree here. It's a cotton tree.
Oh, young cotton tree.
Yeah. Ramesses is great. He never want Moses to leave Egypt. The children of Israel.
Right.
And the queen never take it. It's a throne.
This is the throne.
This is what original Rastas is like.
This is supposed to be the original Rasta people.
Yeah, from the 1930s.
Yeah, from in the 1930s. Done from stone.
Same queen there.
That's his queen.
The lion Rastaman. The Rastaman locks here. And they have a confrontation. Right? Look at these muscles. Rastaman. But look what the lion did to him already. Right? The other paw is around here.
Beautiful.
He's choking the lion. One arm here, one arm there. He's choking the lion. But this is not really a roaring lion. This is a galloping lion. Trying to get some breath, you know?
Yeah. Look at this, people. Nice view. I'm gonna tell you the atmosphere. Awesome people. And the atmosphere up there. Awesome atmosphere. No, nice chill spot. Nice getaway. Nice people. So here we have some more artwork. Stone sculpture. We have a peacock over there. We have a cockfight over that area there.
These will have. And this is a sphinx. Head of a human being, body of a beast, and the tail of a serpent. It's called the sphinx. Dog family.
That's the dog family.
This woman here waiting for that man there to come down here. See, that man is having a hard on already. You know? And this woman thinks he's moving too slow. She's turning away her head. And so when you're ready, you can come. You know, she can tell up of
Waiting.
If you want to see more details, you can come out here.
Real stone. Elephant. Now look at this people.
Buffalo.
That's a buffalo. Almost the same size as for a real buffalo.
That one is the older one. It's trying to get away from the house, from the attack from the lions. These lions are attacking them. This one is defending the attack from the lion. And, but in real life, you know, one buffalo, a fully grown buffalo,
Can't take down a lion.
and a fully grown lion, the buffalo might win the fight.
Right.
Because the buffalo is weighing 1,800 to 2,000 pounds. The buffalo lion is weighing about 4 to 500 pounds. But you see this one here? It's on his knees. It's down there going already. It's bending knees, you know. It's hard for him to get up. So this one here, tonight, is for supper. 7 o'clock, it's on the table.
Yeah.
These will have. You can.
People, awesome stone sculpture. And this stone was already here, right?
All this I've been looking at, these stones they can't move.
Right.
Nothing can move. They are gold stones.
So people, all of these stones are
Behind there.
stone stones.
Those stones? Those stones there?
So all of these stones, people were like these
Yeah.
gold stones. And the artwork was just done right where they are.
Right where they are.
Right where
It's
they
a
are.
brown stone, you know?
Nice people, nice. Alright, IJTV fans now. Because of time, we don't know we can get a full tour of the property, but definitely come on up to Moreland Hill. That's not too far from Devsland. It's not too far from Savamar, well, Little London. Half an hour drive from Negril, people. So half an hour drive from Negril. When you reach at Little London, take a left, head up to Devsland. Past Devland, come up to Moreland Hill, and this is where you find Rickie Jackson's place, people, where you find Rickie Jackson's place, where you find all of them nice stone sculpture here and painting, nice artwork. Now the atmosphere is nice. Atmosphere is nice, people definitely come on down and check it out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Alright, people, so you hear that? So that behind me right here is a mahogany tree, people. Maybe about 300 years old.
Yeah.
So you hear that, people. And this house is one of the great houses from way back in the 17th century. So this was just refurbished.
Yeah.
So it's basically a stone house.
Don't think it's a concrete house, it's a stone house.
It's a stone house. Just refurbished. So. Definitely people come on, check out Jackson. Jackson's. Definitely come on down, people, and check out Jamaica Giants. Alright, Rickie Jackson's place. Westmoreland, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, where I share awesome Jamaican content with you guys.